Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by really quick to just share the cards that I made with sketches 1 through 5 of Kendra's card challenge number 7. I find that for me, it's easier if I break it into chunks and not just sit down and do the whole thing at once. So, if you're new to Kendra's card challenge, I will link in the description box below a link to Kendra's channel where she talks about it. Plus, I have done several things in like a collab with Kendra, and I was also in a hop to showcase the challenge 7. So I'll link it all in the description box below so you can check it out if you're new to it. It is a quarterly challenge. This one is July 1st through September 30th. She gives you, in her printable, you take 6 sheets of 6x6 paper and it yields 15 cards. She gives you cutting guides, and then she gives you sketches, and then there's some tips and how to enter it. So again, today I am sharing sketches 1 through 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for sketch number 1, I made this cute card with a stamp set that I just got from Not Too Shabby. It's actually by Papery Ink. I think it's called Go Ape. I loved these little apes. They're little cupcake. Go Ape, it's your day. So fun. For sketch 2, you have already seen. That's the one that I made for the hop with that cute turtle. Hello, sunshine. For sketch 3, I dug out the Stamping Up set that actually came out at the same time as this paper. Long retired, but I thought it turned out nice with love and thanks. So that's that. Sketch 4, I used another Papery Ink stamp set. Can't think of it right now. It's something Dino. But I love this little guy. I'm dead serious. You're terrific. Super cute. There we go. And then for the last card, which is sketch number 5, I used this Craft and Kimmy stamp set, Shake Your Pom Poms. I'm working on using different skin tones in my coloring, so it was super fun to go a little bit darker with that skin tone. And it's a fun sketch there. I stamped her on the inside. So again, those are the cards that I made for Kendra's card challenge number 7, and these are for sketches 1 through 5. All the links to any products that are still available, I'll link below. And until my next video, I hope you have a great day, and go ahead and go over and check out Kendra's card challenge. It really is fun to piece it together. I don't know, to me it's like a puzzle because you cut the pattern paper and then you pair it all up, and then to create the cards out of the sketches, it's just like a big puzzle, and I really enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.